using IoT to bring innovation to manufacturing sites. Omron's IO-Link compliant devices enable you to check identifications in batches to improve system commissioning and changeover efficiency. Previously, during system startup or changeover, operators had to perform the I/O check for each of the thousands of sensors installed on the line, and it took an enormous amount of time. See how to check identifications in batches using the IO-Link demo unit. The demo unit simulates how to identify individual IDs. The same sensor is reconnected. The ID is identified, so you can confirm that the correct sensor has been connected. A different sensor is connected. The ID is identified, and you can confirm that the different sensor has been connected. In this way, with the individual identification, IO-Link compliant devices notify you of sensor models, operating time, and the number of line disconnections in real time to prevent installation mistakes. What's more, non-IO-Link sensors can be connected. When they are connected, you can confirm the non-IO-Link sensor connection. In this way, the IO-Link master enables you to connect both IO-Link and non-IO-Link sensors to a single network, so a part of existing equipment can be replaced with the IO-Link.